mean, like this little stink bug, like, look, focus on the bug, not me. There you go. Like, see, it's it's like for a stink bug, like you expect it to stink, but it doesn't. It's like all the little glands that they have, like all dried out. So I'm assuming that it's pretty hollow and just a shell. So no little bug guts. Stink bug. Okay. Cheers. It looks so crunchy. They're like some little hard bits that like feel so hard to swallow on its own. But it's like so hollow and crunchy. And it says there's salt, but that's a freaking lie because there's like no salt present. But it's all hollow. There's bug in my teeth. Oh god, there is. There's a bug in my tooth. No salt, just earth, bugs.